Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called VidOctopusAI, which is the world's first 3-click traffic software that drive massive amounts of traffic to your website, blogs and offers with the help of YouTube Shorts by uploading simple lame 50-second videos and make huge profits daily. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works with various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5+ action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $1500 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
This is a quick demo video. I'm going to try and keep it as short as possible and really just give you an overview of how to create YouTube Shorts and publish them using VidOctopusAI. So the main feature is going to be the campaign feature. You have different features here, additional features, which give you the content you can put into your campaign. But eventually, all these different features that you can create will go back into the campaign feature, which is the main feature you're going to be using. We're going to create a new campaign. We're going to call it, storytelling something, just for the demo video. Once again, try and make this quick. Now this is VidOctopusAI, which means we have 8 different ways utilizing AI and ChatGPT-4, which is also AI, into creating those YouTube Shorts. So the fastest way will be to already select an existing YouTube Short and edit it. All right, but we have multiple ways, like generating from content from scratch, generating from quotes, generating from facts, create from scratch informative short videos, use closed captions of other videos and edit them, upload your own file, make the edits, or create from scratch. Super simple, super basic, right? I'm going to create from scratch and I'm going to start putting our text. Now, if we want to go for using ChatGPT, we're going to click on generate content. We're going to enter the keyword which we want ChatGPT to answer. So it could also be a question, right? Best or top selling books, right? For example, it's going to give us a certain result. If we're happy with that result, we're going to simply plug it into the campaign and continue. So it gave us 10 top selling books. We're going to click on continue. If we didn't like the list there, we can always make changes or ask ChatGPT to give us a different list, right? We're going to click on edit and start doing the campaign. Now we have the templates here built in, which you can add. You can select a template and it will fill all the slides with that template, or you can build from scratch. We're not going to build anything from scratch for this quick video. We're going to select any type of template that we have. This one, just a nice animation. Click on continue step, let it load. It's very simple. You have 8 different ways to edit the slides, each slide separately or all of them at once. I'm going to put this on 0, put this on 0. Putting 0 on a certain slide will make the slide disappear and basically it's like deleting the slide, all right? But without actually deleting. So we're going to put 0 on all the slides like that, on the slides which contain numbers or all the slides which we don't want to be seen on the video. And then we can start changing each slide we want with different forms of editing. So we can add media by searching for videos or searching for images and simply going ahead and putting them right here. It's going to load into this. We can change this, place this. We can go ahead and generate, add text there. We can generate a voiceover from the text using an automated poly engine. You select your name, you select your person that will be speaking, and you apply and you let it load, and then you will have full voiceover over all the text that was inserted through ChatGPT, for example, in this example, right? Super simple, very quick. Now, of course, the deeper you go, the more you edits you put in, the better it's going to be, the more beautiful it's going to be, the more convincing it's going to be, and of course, the more money you're going to make and more traffic you're going to get, right? But for the sake of this quick demo, we selected something, and we're just, going with it, all right? Now back in the editor, once again, you can change each slide separately or you can change all of them at once. Now you can of course change each slide by going ahead and adding media, videos, typography, adding text on top of text, on top of images. You can add branding with your watermarks. You can add stories, which means you can edit each text with different images, each slide and text on the slide. You can create different cool transitions. You can add background music as well as the voiceover, which I showed you just now. And of course, you can add different elements like emojis, social media images, different arrows, call to actions, lower thirds, advertisements, lead capture forms, etc., etc. And as soon as you're done editing your video, editing everything, and you like it, you click on save. First and foremost, always save, all right? And then you click on export, and it's gonna start rendering. Now you're gonna give it some time, usually around 5 minutes, depending on the length, the music, and all the different elements. Usually around 5 minutes. Once it's ready, it's downloadable, publishable. You can do whatever you want, but you can go back to edit it. You can create a new campaign and copy it, or you can go ahead and use done for you offer swipes and simply publish this, and as well as start earning commissions by driving traffic to these offers. And I would personally recommend you first start with the done for you offers and swipes. You find the kind of offer you want to promote, use the resources there, put them into VidOctopusAI, create the video around that offer, and then publish it. And it's going to give you a congruent and profitable process. And that is it. That's how simple VidOctopusAI is. Of course, we can jump into each feature, but you can check that out in the full demo that I told you about. So check out the full demo video. This one is a quick video. Hope it helps. If you have any question, feedback whatsoever, let me know. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you so much for your time, and have a great day.